Prepare yourself for an extraordinary journey that will challenge your perceptions, awaken your spirit, and ignite your imagination. Introducing The Odyssey of Tomorrow, a groundbreaking sci-fi novel that transcends genres and captures the essence of human resilience in the face of adversity. Explore a world ravaged by climate change, where humanity's very existence hangs in the balance. Discover breathtaking landscapes, technological marvels, and ancient mysteries as you accompany our four protagonists on their thrilling quest for knowledge and understanding. Meet Aiden, Liam, Astrid, and Naya, four friends from diverse backgrounds, united by fate and bound by a shared destiny. Together, they will traverse the vast and perilous landscapes of their world, unearthing the wisdom hidden within ancient religions and confronting the harsh realities of a planet on the brink of destruction. The Odyssey of Tomorrow is more than just a riveting adventure. It's a call to action, a poignant reminder of the pressing issues we face today. By shining a light on the true enemy of humanity, the environment we inhabit, this compelling narrative urges us to take decisive action and protect our fragile world for future generations. Witness the power of friendship, the resilience of the human spirit, and the importance of unity in the face of adversity. Experience a tale that will leave you breathless, inspired, and forever changed. Don't miss your chance to embark on this unforgettable journey. The Odyssey of Tomorrow is available now in ebook and paperback formats on Amazon Kindle. Get your copy today and join the adventure that is captivating readers around the world. Are you ready to discover the power of unity? The journey begins with The Odyssey of Tomorrow.